Hi, this is Pankaj Singh here, and in this video I'm gonna show you how to create email list in Getresponse. So if you are looking for how to create list or email list using Getresponse, then this video is for you. In this video I'm gonna show you exactly how you can create email list using Getresponse. Right? So guys, now here before telling this, I just want to say that guys, if you're a beginner and know nothing how to start your affiliate marketing business step by step, then down below I have put the link of my own ebook, that is Affiliate Commission Secrets. So if you want to know more about how to start your affiliate marketing business step by step, then yes, go and read my ebook. Down below there is a link. Right? So guys, now here without any delay, let me show you how to create email list in Getresponse. Right? So guys, here what you need to do, as you can see, I'm already logged in into my Getresponse account. So yes, you need to log in into your Getresponse account. By the way guys, I'm using it's a 30 days free trial period, right? And yeah, if you want to check it out, then yes, down below I have put the link of this Getresponse account. You can try this Getresponse account for 30 days absolutely free guys, right? So yeah, you can go and check it guys, right? It's a great you can say autoresponder, so you can build your email list promoting your affiliate offer guys, right? So guys, now here what you need to do guys, simply guys, after logging into your account, come here guys, can you see that list? Click on that. So you can see that guys, I have already created 4 email list guys, right? By the way guys, when you create your email list, the purpose is that by using this email list, you can send emails to your subscriber promoting your affiliate offer or your own product guys. It's up to you. So this is the purpose of creating your email list guys, right? So okay, now here what you need to do guys, so it's a, can you see that, create list? Click on that create list, and now here you need to give it a name guys. So as in my case, I'm promoting one funnel away challenge guys. By the way guys, if you want to check out this training, then down below I have put the link of this training. You can go and check out guys. It's a great training from Brunson, where you are going to learn how to start your online business step by step guys, right? So considering my affiliate offer guys, I'm going to give it a name as it's a Russell Brunson one funnel away challenge. So considering that, I'm going to give it a name R for Russell, right? Russell Brunson OFA challenge 1-2. Simple guys, right? So can you see that? Create. That's it guys. So I have created my email list guys using Getresponse. So guys, here what options I have. So here, can you see that I can add contacts, right? I can, you can say, I can send message to my subscriber, those who are into this list guys, right? So this is the purpose guys, creating your list guys, right? I can send emails to my subscriber promoting my affiliate offer or my own stuff in future guys, right? So that's why we create you can say email list guys, right? So guys, that's it guys. Now you know how to create email list in Getresponse, right? So yep, this is all about for today guys, right? And yes, if you have any question guys, then yes, you can ask your question down below. I will try my level best to give you answer. And yeah, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, then please go and subscribe to my channel. And yeah, down below there is a bell notification button. Go and hit that bell notification button so that you can get the notification about my upcoming training that are related to affiliate marketing. So if you want to know more about affiliate marketing, then yes, go and subscribe to my channel, right? So yes guys, this is all about for today guys, right? So thank you so much for watching. Love you. Have a nice day. Bye bye.